Here is how we can find the latest uploaded videos on YouTube. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, I'm going to open up the YouTube app on my device. Obviously, it works the same whether you have an Android phone or the iPhone, right? So it doesn't really make a huge difference. So I'm going to get inside the YouTube app right here, and essentially you have to go to any channel you want to check out, right? So I'm going to go to, for example, NHL channel, which is a good example, right? And if I go in here, you can see I am inside of this channel, and I can basically scroll through so many different videos, like so many playlists, watch this and the highlights, and so many different things, but I don't even know which one is like the latest video. So you have to actually switch from the home view, which is right there, and go to the video mode, right? So let me just tap on it like this, and you can see that at the top it gets filtered by the latest, popular, or oldest. And this is a very useful way to browse literally the latest video, so this one has been uploaded 4 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 1 day ago, and so on, right? So that's how you can manage this. Obviously, it only applies to the long videos. The short ones are also in here in their separate category as well, can be sorted by the latest, popular, and oldest. Right, so that is kind of how it works. Obviously, if you click on subscribe, which you can also do to Foxtecc, by the way, but anyways, if you subscribe to any channel, if you then switch to the subscription view, you'll see everything as it is, right? So all of the videos in there are going to be in the order too. So again, 4 hours ago, 19 hours, and that's basically sorting the videos in your subscription feed. So that's a very nice way to know which videos are uploaded the latest on YouTube. So I just wanted to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.